In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana reporting like a pro, including leveraging its AI tools to enhance your project management efficiency. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to get more out of the platform, this guide will help you transform how you track and visualize your project data. First, let's begin by navigating to Asana. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll want to head over to the dashboard. This is your control center for all reporting activities. You'll see various options and tools that will enable you to customize reports and track your project's progress in real time. Next, we're going to focus on adding widgets to your dashboard. To do this, click Add Widget. Widgets are essential because they allow you to display specific data in a visual format, making it easier to track what's important at a glance. Once you're in the widget selection, hit the chart option to create a visual representation of your project data. Charts are particularly useful when you need to compare sections or see trends over time. After this, pay attention to the bar drop-down menu that appears on your chart. This configuration is important as it allows you to refine the data view by selecting different visual options. Move on to choose number from the submenu, which helps in presenting numerical data succinctly for better impact. Now, you'll want to customize the appearance of these visuals to fit your needs. So click on the default dropdown to explore more customization choices. Once selected, opt for hours. This setting is particularly useful if you're looking to track time spent or logged hours on a project promptly. One of the standout features of Asana's reporting is its integration with AI tools. To explore this, click on Chat with Asana AI. This AI integration allows you to ask questions about your reports directly in Asana, providing insights and answers instantly that can guide your decision-making process. If you have various projects in Asana, finding and setting up reports for each one can be a real time saver. Go to your first project where you can continue to refine your reporting tools. Make sure to click on the Highlight feature, as it emphasizes key information and statistics tailored to the project at hand. Finally, don't forget to review your settings and account options. These are crucial for managing who has access to what and ensuring that your data is protected. If needed, you also have the ability to remove yourself from certain workspaces, ensuring that you're only linked to projects that are relevant to you. In summary, utilizing Asana's reporting features and AI tools can revolutionize the way you track, manage, and report project data. Embrace these steps to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. By following these guidelines, you're well on your way to mastering Asana reporting like a pro.